Hello folks, Srini from SriniOptionUpdates.com. Today I wanted to just see where Netflix is going from the current price levels. First I draw a Gantt fan here and see where it is heading to. Definitely it's heading down because it's hitting the bottom. And also if you look at this, if you look at the way it is going, first if you look at the first wave here, this is the lowest point of the current wave trend, and if you look at that, it is going for the 62.5 for the first wave. And so since there will be an alternation in the Elliott wave, what I'm expecting is the Elliott, this would go up to 37.5% retracement, which is around 269.92. So that is where I think Netflix is headed to. And before that, it might give us a couple of chances. It might give us, it would try to bounce back at the 281 level. That is at the 50% level, 281 level, and then going up to 297, and then it would go back to 269. So definitely it would be a good buy at anything below 270. Just wanted to share with you guys on this. Hope you're having a great profitable day. Catch you later.